Hi everyone, welcome to UP3D Digital Academy, the second session of the P55D series. I'm Serena. Great to see you all here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to mill composite resin blocks. The stuff we need to prepare is super simple. Composite resin block, composite resin specific burrs, hex recture, 2 total ratchets, 8 station fixtures, computer, and the main one P55D. Okay, follow my lead later, and I guarantee everyone can get a hang of it. Let's start with chem settings. First, open Dental Station 2025. Click Nesting. Then, click Machine Management in here. Add a new machine. We choose P55D and pick the jig model Y8. You can also pick other fixtures if you have them. Make sure to use the latest strategy. Then click Save. Okay, you are all set. Next up, on the same page, click here, Create Job. Then pick the machine P55D, Y8, and Composite. Next step, import the teeth to be cut here. We import crowns and inlays. After successful import, the system will automatically match the corresponding restoration type strategy. Next step, and here, choose the position you like. We choose all the position. Next step, on this page, we need to choose the material height and fill the blank information. You can fill it according to your need. Next, start nesting. Now, arrange it however you want, just to make sure all top left boxes are checked. After finish, click here to generate the NC file. Just wait a moment and it will be generated successfully. Great. Now we have the NC file. Next, let's import it. Open the CNC3 and click here. Then import the NC field we just generated. And that's it. NC field imported. The details of the NC field will show here. Next, let's move on to the machine step. These burrs are special for cutting composite resin. This is 2mm one. Goes to the position 9. And this is 1mm to the position 10. And the 0.61 to the position 11. Now let's mount the blank onto the fixture. First, unscrew the screws at all the positions. And align the blank with the fixture. And insert it. Make sure there's no gap here. This way is wrong, but this way is correct. Then tighten the screws back with the hex wrencher. The rest follow the same procedure. Next, in the CNC3 and click Material Loading position. The axis will move to the position for easy loading. Then use a hex wrencher to take off the cover plate. Align the ears on the Y8 with the ears on the machine fixture. Then tighten the screws back up. Perfect! Now everything is ready. Just hit the start on the CNC3 and the machine will begin milling. Alright, that's all for today's session. If you have any issue during the operation, feel free to leave a comment. Next time, we will teach you how to mill zirconium. Don't forget to tune in. Thanks for watching and sticking around, and we'll see you next time.